to all manufacturing peers worldwide. In industrial, medical, aerospace and other high-standard sectors, uncompromising PCBA quality is a must, but low-volume production is always a tough challenge. Are you looking for an OEM partner that delivers superior quality, professional expertise and reliable support for your low-volume PCBA needs? Your search ends here with MCPcba Merrillchip technology. As a professional, intelligent PCBA manufacturing service provider, we have a mature SMT dip manufacturing system. Every production step from mounting, insertion to testing and debugging control with extreme precision, fully meeting the stringent quality standards of high-end industries. Take our medical device project for example. Our low-volume PCBA units passed rigorous multi-round testing and performance far exceeded expectations. With exquisite technology and rigorous quality control, we guarantee the stability and reliability of every product even for low-volume runs. Need a trusted PCBA OEM partner for your high-standard low-volume projects? Click the link for more details. Let's join hands and explore more possibilities for your product innovation.